Hello guys, so welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to dive into the world of automation testing, and I will provide you a step-by-step comprehensive guide for the beginners to start in this year. So let's start with our first step. So the first step is understand the role of a automation tester. So you need to research and understand the responsibility and requirement of a automation tester. So you can go through different job posting, try to understand what are the roles and responsibilities, go through some Google articles and understand this role. So this will help you determine if this is a right career path for you or not. Then we need to do a step 2, that is learn programming basics. So automation testers nowadays need a strong foundation in programming. So in companies we have dedicated automation teams, and previously we are having manual plus automation roles. So you need to be good at your programming languages, because clients are nowadays focusing like if something can be done in big of n time complexity, so client keep asking us why you are doing this in n square time complexity. So you should be really good at programming languages. Means at least your foundation should be clear enough. Now you can begin with any programming language that is commonly used in the testing industry. So we generally use Java, Python or C#, and Java and Python are more prominent, so you can go with this will help you increase the chances of getting a like job. Now you do not need to learn a lot of things. You just start with learning how to create variables, how to use loops, how to implement your conditional statements, how to write functions, how and different data structures, right? And for that I have already covered a separate video what data structures you have to learn. I will link that in the description. Now let's move to our step 3, that is gain knowledge of testing concepts. So learn about software testing principles, different methodologies, different types of testing, like functional, non-functional we have. So you should have basic theoretical knowledge if you do not have practical. So at least theoretically you should be strong enough. Now you need to understand the importance of test planning, test case and test data management. Okay. Now let's move to the step 4, that is get familiar with the test automation tools. So explore popular automation tools such as Selenium WebDriver, Appium, Robot Framework we have. So learn how to set up test environment for these, how to create test scripts, how to automate these steps, tests using these tools. So once you learn this, you just need to get the basic understanding of setting up the environment or not. After that you will move to step 5, that will be learning web technologies. So you do not have to learn all the web technologies, you just need to learn the basic one, that is HTML, Java, HTML, JavaScript and CSS. So once you familiarize with this, you will get to know how web page is structured, and so it will be easier for you to automate those particular web elements, right? Now let's move to the step 6, that is practice automation testing. So start practicing automation testing. You can create small projects. So what you can do, let's say you pick a website. So I will put the one test website, that is QA cards, in the link in the description. So you can go through the website, try to automate the register page, then try to automate the login page, try to create separate classes for register and login, then try to automate the cart, try to add some item, try to delete some item. Okay, so once you did these small projects, then try to combine all the things together and try to run your automation script. See whether it is running or failing. If it is failing, you try to correct those things. Okay, then step 7 will be gain knowledge of continuous integration and delivery. So this is not necessary, but yeah, nowadays in interviews they will definitely ask this question. So try to understand what is a CI and CD. Try to learn some tools like Jenkins, not in depth, just basic, that is fine. Okay, because this is not your day-to-day work, right? So basics will be fine. Now let's move to our step 8, that will be expand your skill set. So guys, keep learning and exploring new technologies and trends in the automation testing. So you should be like stay updated with the latest tools, framework, and best practices in the industry. You need to implement those best practices in whatever project you have built. Okay, so this will make you competitive in this field and make you like ahead of other 99% of the peoples who are preparing for automation tester. Now step 9 will be building a strong portfolio. So whatever things you have done, you can't cover everything in your resume, right? So you need to build the portfolio. So the things you have learned, right, previously, in which step 5. So you have learned JavaScript, HTML, CSS. So you need to, with the help of those, you need to build a portfolio where you will mention whatever you did, your projects, link to those projects, GitHub repo, right? So once you did that, your portfolio is ready. You can mention that in your resume or LinkedIn profile. So recruiter come to know that you are having some practical knowledge, whatever you have learned. And now we are ready to move our step 10, that is network and job search. So connect with different professional in automation testing fields through online platforms, through LinkedIn and different other platforms. So and search for the job opportunities, ask for the referral, and there is a specific way to ask a referral. So that will be part of some other separate video. Now let's move to step 11, that is prepare for interviews. So step 10 and step 11 will go parallelly. So you need to study the common interview questions which are asked for this role. You need to prepare how to answer those questions. So I am already making some of the playlists for these automation testing interview questions. So you can go through that. You can go through different other creators videos to practice is better. Okay, so so you need to demonstrate your ability to think critically and approach complex scenarios. Now it's time to move to step 12, that is start your automation testing career. So apply whatever things you have learned in your job. So and keep learning with from your seniors and try to expand your knowledge and skills. And remember guys, becoming an automation tester required continuous learning and keeping up with the latest development in the industry. So stay curious, practice regularly, seek opportunities to enhance your skills. So good luck for your journey to become a automation tester this year.